Our top story is about the major success in India's fight against COVID-19. India has given emergency authorization to Zydus Cadila-made ZyCoV-D vaccine. This is the second indigenous vaccine after Covaxin. ZyCoV-D is different from other vaccines. This can also be given to kids above 12 years of age. Here is a news report.
A big boost to India's COVID fight. After Covaxin, Covishield and Sputnik, now India will get a fourth vaccine in the market soon. The 3-dose ZyCoV-D jab against COVID. ZyCoV-D is an indigenous vaccine developed by Zydus Cadila Pharmaceutical Company. It claims 100% efficacy against moderate COVID and 66.6% efficacy against symptomatic patients. ZyCoV-D isn't different from the other COVID vaccines available in India. It is the only COVID vaccine in the world that is DNA-based. What's even more interesting, the Zydus vaccine is needle-free. Most importantly, the vaccine has been approved by Drug Controller for use on children above 12 years.
We have mostly finished all our recruitment. We have by far recruited the largest number of patients in India, which is 28,000 volunteers who have been vaccinated as part of the trial. This is by far one of the largest trials that has been conducted.
Soon after the approval granted to ZyCoV-D, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter calling the feat by our scientists remarkable. Zydus Cadila has pledged to deliver over 12 crore doses annually. As India moves forward with opening up schools, this vaccine gives us a better shot at that. With Milan Sharma and Sneha Mordani in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Milan Sharma reporting from Delhi, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Milan, this is great news coming in for kids, for parents as well. ZyCoV-D has got an emergency use authorization and above 12 years of age, kids can be given this. So when does India begin the inoculation for kids then?
Well, good morning, Chetty. Definitely, it's going to be the first vaccine to be used in India for children above the age of 12 to 18. So India is going to now start inoculation of children with Zydus ZyCoV-D vaccine. And that is good news because schools have started to reopen and children need protection as well from COVID-19, especially with the Delta variant around. The company has said that it has begun stockpiling of the vaccine and the emergency use authorization was given. So we'll have to wait probably in a month or so. The rollout should begin for children, but certainly with a 66% above efficacy of the vaccine, it has proven to be safe in trials. It's also going to be needle-free. That's a very important point. It's going to be given through an applicator, which the company has spoken about. And also, it will be a 3-shot vaccine.